It was great support from the Rajiv sir, who has given us a very fabulous support. Apart from that, we also had AI learning from Mr. Prabhu sir. He also given a very good support for the same. Well, my name is Chintak and I belong to Ahmedabad, Gujarat. Currently, I'm working as an HR manager with one of the MNC company into Ahmedabad itself. Yeah, so basically, I'm from the operation background, and since I worked like 12 years into operations, and recently when I planned to change my job in 2022, I given the role of HR. So at that time, I thought that let's upskill into HR as well, like research into the market, what are the possibilities into HR, and then I started the certificate course with IIT Roorkee. It's more helpful, like because I'm not from the HR background, so it helped me a lot while playing the role into the company as an HR manager. Well, the resources were quite fair enough. Like it was helpful to update the skills, and also it helped us to determine what are the perspectives of the HR. Well, there was the best part. I would suggest. I would say only the weekend course because it was a weekend, so we used to have it that time fair enough to attend the course. Well, IIT Roorkee is the best part to start the journey. The faculties are very supportive, and obviously they have a vast knowledge. You can grab each and every angles from them.